One of the hardest things to pick when building a new and affordable PC is the case. Plus, if you already own a PC, a new case is a great way to give a new life to your old, outdated tower. Selecting the best PC case can be challenging, especially if you do so on a tight budget. There are simply too many options to choose from, and finding the right one can be a difficult task for the low-budget user. Fortunately, the sub-$100 market still has a ton of quality options without compromising too much in features and look. In this video, we will present you with the top 5 best PC cases under $100. The Thermaltake V200 RGB edition case is a good-looking and extra spacious model from Thermaltake. The lid of the case is made from tempered glass. Along with the side tempered glass, this allows a direct view of the interior, so you can install anything and enjoy all your devices working together like a gem. You'll get 320mm pre-installed 12V motherboard sink fans in front that help with ventilation. But the exciting part is that they are RGB fans with 16 LED modes that make 7 different colors. The LEDs are totally programmable so that you can tweak them easily. You can also fit up to a 360mm radiator. As for space, slots and inputs, you'll get 2 drive bays for storage. They work with both 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches drives without problems. You can install any type of motherboard as well, and it offers the chance to install CPU coolers, long GPUs, and even power supplies without problems. The PSU space comes with a cover, so it stays separated from the rest of the components and covers all your cables in a professional look, combined with a window to show off your colorful power. You can also enjoy perfect I/O ports, including a USB 3.0 port and USB 2.0 inputs on top, along with an HC audio dual input and RGB light button. If you're after a flexible case that is durable and great for mini and micro motherboards alike, then look no further than Thermaltake's PC case. The Cooler Master MasterBox MB511 ARGB is designed to look good and has great airflow without sacrificing any functionality. The panoramic view of the interior through an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel adds an immersive viewing experience from outside. Dominating the front of the case, a polygonal mesh is intended to facilitate better airflow along with dust filters on top and bottom of the case. It comes with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans to ensure excellent cooling efficiency and delivers gorgeous lighting effects, which can be controlled by the included RGB controller. It supports for up to 720mm fans and dual 360mm radiators on the top, and front panel ensure that even the most extreme systems stay cool. It also comes with plenty of drive bays for your storage needs and supports for up to 410mm GPU. A 165mm CPU cooler and up to 180mm PSU in length provides room for upgrades to stay ahead of the game. On top of the case, you'll find the I/O panel that includes 2 USB 3.0 ports and separate 3.5mm ports for audio input and output. With a sleek design along with great airflow, the MB511 ARGB will cool your components with style. If you're looking for a new PC that has good airflow, acceptable aesthetics, and subtle blend of RGB, the Cooler Master MasterBox MB511 is a value for money option for you. The Phanteks Eclipse Steel is a great case that does not take up much space, offers good airflow, and looks great with featuring a tempered glass side panel that allows you to see into the case. With the highest build quality in its class, featuring a full metal exterior with an integrated PSU cover and HDDs, the Phanteks Eclipse P300 is everything you need to build your perfect system. It introduces an all-new framework that further enhances clean interior and exterior design with intuitive and convenient installation. The case has integrated RGB illumination modes that can make 10 different colors with ambient downlight options and can easily be synced with RGB motherboards of Phanteks RGB products. It also comes with a magnetic dust filter that works to keep your PC clean. With a pre-installed 120mm fan, it supports up to 240 or 280mm radiator in front to protect your components from the threat of overheating. This case supports full-size graphics card and has plenty of storage options to install your drives. You can actually use its two 3.5 inches HDD slots as well as the 2.5 inches SSD slots for storage. And to make it more convenient, you get an I/O panel on top with two USB 3.0 ports and a combined headphone mic jacks with LED control. You can fit any type of motherboard as well, going from standard ATX up to micro ATX and the largest eATX models as well. There's simply no limit to its overall compatibility, and if you're looking for an easy-to-use PC case that won't break the bank, then Phanteks Eclipse Steel is the one for you. The Corsair Carbide series SPEC-DELTA RGB case is one of the coolest looking cases from Corsair. It is a tempered glass mid-tower ATX case with striking angular styling, powerful airflow, and 3 included RGB cooling fans. At first glance, you'll notice its distinctive front panel. The front panel features dark, angular accents that become transparent when backlit, providing a unique window into your system. This unique front panel is not all about good looks. It's also included mesh intake so you can get cool air to your hottest components. Besides, it has built-in dust filters in the floor, roof, and front that keep your system neat and clean. Also, a full-length PSU covers hides your PSU and cables out of sight, making immaculate builds easier than ever. It has 4 included 120mm cooling fan that provide incredible airflow to cool your system, with room for up to 360mm radiator in the front, 240mm radiator in the top, and 120mm radiator in the rear. It also features a direct airflow path, which means that the cool air from the front fans get directly to the hot components without anything in between. On top of the case, the I/O panel contains 2 USB 3.0 ports and a combined headphone mic jack. For storage, there's a combination of 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches drive cage on the bottom that can be removed, and 2.5 inches drive stays behind the motherboard tray. The SPEC-DELTA RGB looks great on the outside, works great on the inside, and can be your next budget PC case of choice. The NZXT H510 features a sleek and minimalistic design with plenty of helpful additions for a clean and easy build. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel showcase your stunning build. It also features a single screw installation, making it super easy to set up. There are 2 AER fans measuring 120mm are included to promote optimal airflow throughout the case. You can still install a 240mm fan if needed for extra cooling performance. Also, having a removable bracket for radiators up to 240mm makes installation of either closed loop or custom loop water cooling easier. You'll get a top I/O system including 2 USB 3.1 ports and a headset audio jack for extra convenience. With a USB 3.1 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel, it's easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, or the latest peripherals to your PC. It supports up to an ATX motherboard, 3 2.5 inches or 3.5 inches drivers for extra storage capacity, and 3 dual-slot graphics card. There are also removable filters in the front panel and PSU that maintain a clean and cool PC case. The H510 looks stunning and has an excellent value, making it the ideal case when you want a small footprint ATX case without sacrificing anything. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications.
so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.